We really have a tradition of growth through innovation. We started out as an abrasives company, transformed into a thermal insulation company, and now we're so much more than that in every way.
We've grown into a group that's very much focused on sustainability, energy conservation, and safety.
The company is based on the fundamental belief that we can innovate the core products that we have to make a transformational impact on the world in a meaningful way. SiFAB is the next critical invention that'll help transform the lives and the world that we live in.
Batteries are very important in solving the world's energy needs. Lithium-ion batteries are actually a relatively old technology. They've been around since the 70s. Incremental improvements in batteries have been happening over the past decade. And in recent years, improvements in small percentages are even hard to get with new materials.
The current challenge with lithium-ion batteries is to get a greater energy density, basically to make them store more energy per unit size.
And that's really what our customers and people in everyday life are looking for. Everyone loves lithium-ion batteries. Everyone uses it, but everyone wants them to perform better.
SiFAB is a revolutionary product in that it does the impossible that the battery industry, consumer electronics, electric vehicles, all of the players have been trying to achieve for over a decade.
One of the challenges with silicon is that when you charge it with lithium, it swells. And that swelling is a big problem because that swelling can cause the battery pack to split.
We solved that problem by developing a structured material that can tolerate the stresses and the strains induced when a lithium ion enters it.
By creating a world-class silicon anode material, we're able to significantly increase energy density and other attributes.
What's unique about SiFAB is the material itself has a very unique geometry because it is a fiber that's micron structured, so it's easily implementable in existing systems. It can be dropped into existing slurries for anodes.
We don't want battery manufacturers to have to redesign their production process. So SiFAB is designed to allow them to continue their production process without missing a beat.
Intent has been to test SiFAB in real applications and under realistic conditions from the very start.
We test it using real-world charge and discharge rates. We test it in real-world temperatures and real-world cycles.
So far, the performance of SiFAB is really exciting. It's really promising. Some of the highest capacities that are on the market.
Ultimately, to be successful, you're going to need to be able to make this at scale industrially.
We've overcome this hurdle from the get-go.
One of the unique things about SiFAB is that we can manufacture it at scale today, and we'll be in full production by the end of 2021. SiFAB is a game changer.
SiFAB will give greater energy density in the battery, but what does that mean? That means greater range on your electric vehicle.
Cell phones are going to have more capability.
More torque on your drill.
Being able to have large capacity stationary grid storage for alternative energy, renewable energies. We reached way beyond what we thought our capabilities were, and we developed something totally new to the industry.
SiFAB is going to make the world more powerful.
This product will fundamentally change the world that we live in.
And that's revolutionary.